Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor browser on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open a new browser, then go to torproject.org. Then click on download Tor browser or download Tor browser, both are same. Then we have to click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 118 megabytes. It will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the Tor browser. It is zip file. Okay, we have to unzip it. Tor-xf. Then u tar. Then press the tab to autofill. Enter zip file name. Hit enter. LS. See here we have the Tor browser folder. Go to that. CD Tor browser LS. Now we have to run this Tor browser.desktop file. Okay, don't give sudo. Okay, /start, then press the tab, hit enter. See, you got the Tor browser. Now see here the option always connect automatically. Okay, otherwise every time you need to click on this connect. If you enable, no need to connect again. Okay, so I want to connect always automatically. See, now it is establishing a connection to Tor network. See, we have successfully connected. And see here the default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version, but the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.